Hi there, and welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and RV. Today we're happy to present this 2018. It's a Rockwood GeoPro. It's a 19-footer. It's barely been used. Are you looking for something light and easy to tow? Maybe you've got a sport utility or a small truck. You know what? You found it. Max weight on this is 3,500 pounds. Away you go. The nice thing about these newer trailers these days is that they're light. It's either a white or a light gray. This is not a dark trailer by any means. The cabinetry's light, the countertops, the sink, everything. It's nice and light in here, so you're not going to feel like you're in a dark hole. That dinette table folds into a bed, and that 72-inch leather couch folds out, and that's a queen size heated Murphy bed with lots of storage on the left and right. That's really cool. The previous owner had to sell it, and they barely used it. They're moving out of province. I believe he told me the sink had never been used, the 3-burner stovetop had never been used, the oven had never been used, the fridge, I think the same thing, had never been used. It's just a really nice clean unit. As you can see, the microwave, little flat screen. Everything's easy to find and control, and there's your power on. Extended camping or going places where maybe your battery will wear out. This trailer is pre-wired for solar. All you got to do is buy the solar kit. I love the floors in this trailer. Again, light, nice and easy to keep clean, full-size toilet, sink, and a 40-inch tub. Like I said, the old owner said he'd never used it. Also, a nice full-size mirror, and behind it, a medicine cabinet in the washroom. Roof AC to keep you cool on those hot days. Something cool you don't see a lot in a lot of the older trailers. This one's got the Wi-Fi range extender. That can come in really thoughtful items. Like this is a handle that pulls out, so you can use it when you're getting in and out of your trailer. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, and let's not forget RVs, we offer low rate financing with extended terms. You can almost get up to 20 years because this is a 2018. Like I said, the people we bought it from are moving out of province. They had to sell it. They barely used it. So if you're looking for a low kilometer, not a barely used, small trailer that you can tow with your sport utility or a truck, you found it. Only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company.